In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a Shopify jewelry store. If you are building a jewelry brand, Shopify gives you a simple way to set up your online storefront, add your products, and present them with images and descriptions that look professional. In this video, we will focus on the basics, getting into your Shopify admin, editing your theme, adding your jewelry products, and then saving everything so your changes are ready to go live. First, go to Shopify. Open your web browser, navigate to the Shopify website, and log into your account. Make sure you are signed into the store where you want to build your jewelry shop, because each store has its own dashboard. Once you are logged in, you should be taken to your Shopify admin area, where you can manage the design and products for your store. Next, click Online Store. This is where Shopify organizes the parts of your store that customers will see, such as your storefront theme and pages. Look for the menu option labeled Online Store in your admin sidebar or main navigation. When you click it, you should see additional options that relate to how your store looks and how it operates for shoppers. Then, click Edit Theme. This step is important because it allows you to work on the look and feel of your site without having to build everything from scratch. After you click Edit Theme, Shopify will open the theme editor. Here, you can prepare the store to match your jewelry brand style. And it also sets you up to start adding content, like product listings. Now you are ready to add your jewelry products. In the theme editor area, you can usually leave the design tools open while you manage products through the store dashboard. The main idea here is that your store needs actual items for customers to browse. Add each jewelry product that you plan to sell, such as necklaces, earrings, bracelets, or rings. As you add products, you will be building your store catalog one item at a time, which is the foundation of a complete online shop. After you have added your products, the next key step is to add product images, prices, and descriptions. These details help shoppers understand what they are buying and why it is worth choosing you. For each product, make sure you upload clear images that show the jewelry from different angles when possible. Then add the price so customers can see the cost right away. Finally, include a description that explains what the piece is, what materials or features it has, and what makes it special. Keep the language clear and accurate so your customers feel confident when they view your listings. Isodsamdat as mantaden, as mahunstel te siya down luokanempio. You also want the images to be clean and properly displayed, so the product looks good on both desktop and mobile. This is especially important for jewelry because visual appeal is often what makes someone stop scrolling. When you have finished adding your product images, prices, and descriptions, you will want to ensure everything is properly applied by saving your theme changes. Click Save. This final step confirms that your updates are stored. After you click Save, wait a moment for Shopify to process the changes. If there is any preview option or confirmation, you can use it to double-check that the store looks right and that your product information is showing as intended. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to get your Shopify jewelry store started. Go to Shopify, open Online Store, edit your theme, add your jewelry products, include images, prices, and descriptions, and then click Save so your work is ready for customers.